All right, we are back out here on the Mississippi. Actually starting out today using the same rig, drop shot, but I'm using it on a lake trout rod for ice fishing. I'm gonna try and catch some smallies on this thing. It's got a 2500 Stratic paired with the St. Croix 42-inch medium heavy rod. It's meant for lake trout through the ice, but we're gonna give it a whirl today for some smallies. Okay. Is it a big one or no?
Not terrible.
I'm coming. Gotta reel in. Alright. Noah's hooked up with the first one. How's she feel?
Not terrible. I haven't used this rod before for smallies. I don't know kind of the size, but
Still a good one.
But first one of the day. Well, 1.5, 2 pounder, but they feel warm today compared to yesterday. So just kind of on a drop shot rig and just a little sucker and poked it. So there we go. Get some more.
Oh, dude, I'm surfing. Oh, it's split in 2 or 3. There's a smallie right here. He's gonna eat it. Watch this.
Really?
Literally, he's right there. Oh, come on. That would be so sick. Oh, he's going for it. Oh, he just nudged it. Come on. I think he's got it. No! Oh, he's right there.
Still sitting there?
Oh, he swam off though. Dude, that was the coolest thing. I got Moonwalk by X stuck in my head. Moonwalk with a glove, I can't really route. Yeah? Big one? Noah's hooked up again.
Frozen, so you can't really even put a run.
Oh yeah, little guy. That's so cool. Guy's got good colors on him.
Yeah. Another smaller one, but still it's been kind of slow compared to yesterday, but beautiful one. There we go. Oh yeah.
Jeez. Right there, huh? Jumping. Eli's hooked up. Ooh, artificial too?
Yep, I tried something a little different. I just put on a little swim bait. I didn't think they'd be biting artificials today, but yeah, just bit right by shore. Well, nice little guy. Put him back. Cool.
That's a fish? Noah's hooked up. How's she feeling?
Pretty damn big, I'll tell you that one.
Yeah?
That one was up super far.
You definitely have the hot bite today.
I set into him and I could not.
Oh yeah. That's so cool. That's sweet.
There we go. A little slower today than yesterday, but that's a nice little 2.5. Let this little guy go. Ooh. Oh. Alright, let's get some more. Go back to
Okie dokie. Big rod time. How's my drag? Pretty good. Bombs away, buddy. Go get a big one.
No.
That sucks.
Yeah.
You got another one, don't you?
Still on there.
Okay, good. Hopefully he stays. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
So you notice how?
Okay, we're rolling.
Oh, popped off.
Do you have my line?
No.
I have one. Here, take that. I just think I do. I don't know. Could be bottom. Oh, drag. Oh, it's like frozen. Yeah, I have one. Sweet. Oh, kind of got a gong show going on right now. Casted it out. This is my first one of the day. Using a simple drop shot with like a 6 to 8 inch tag end. Sunnier today. Definitely has been affecting the fish a little bit, but they're still biting. This guy's coming in here soon. Can't really tell how big he is. Ooh, where are you going? Where are you going? Been battling the ice. It's 20 degrees out. It may seem nice and sunny, but it's definitely chilly. There he is. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Stop, stop, stop. Okay. I will open the bail, let out line, throw it there, take the glove off, get him unhooked here, show him to the camera. Beautiful fish. This guy's pretty tan. Probably about a 2-pounder. Seems to be the average size we're getting out here, but we'll let him go right now. Sweet. Hopefully we can get some more. I don't even think I got you then.
Oh, I got one.
No, just got a little guy.
Little, like 1-pounder, but.
Let him go. There he is.
There he goes.
Bye bye. I'm ready to go fishing.
I bet you wanna go fishing.
You wanna go fishing?
Go fishing.
Yeah, just slide.
How are we getting up? We'll deal with that later.
That is so sick.
How are we getting up?
Cross that bridge when we get there. Oh, what the hell?
Go, Dylan.
Uh-oh. No, I got an expensive rod. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Holy cow.
Hold on, I'm coming back.
I got it.
We go.
All right, change up spots here. We're at another community spot. We're gonna see if smallies are here too. Jeepers, it's mucky. Oh, it jumped up out of my hand.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one, I think.
Oh, I got one too.
Yeah?
Yep.
Doubled up. There we go. Doubled up. Oh, yours is already right here.
Yeah, that's right in front of me.
Huh. Me and Noah just doubled up. Let's see if I can get mine in here. Oh, dude, I got a nice one. Oh, holy cow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's still there. He's going crazy. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
No, there he goes.
Oh, he popped off.
Okay, whatever. We saw him. You got that one.
Alright, there.
Sweet.
The other one was about twice the size, but there we go.
That's a good start.
Move spots. Water's a lot warmer here. This one was up about 10 feet in front of Dylan. So,
All right, good. Let's catch more. Oh. Okay, I will resume that later. Nose hooked up again. All right, I'll get my phone out.
yeah.
Another good one.
That's the biggest one there.
Oh, that is a good one. He's like, nope, nope.
Oh,
There you go.
he has 3 suckers in his mouth.
Does he
He
actually?
just spit out mine. He spit out another one, and he's got one in his mouth. He had 3 suckers in his mouth.
Oh my goodness.
He's been taking people's bait.
Been hungry.
It's about a 2.5 or so.
Sweet.
Another nice one for today. Oh, the water's so much cleaner here.
Mm-hmm. There he goes.
Can you spread your legs?
Ooh, did I just get picked up? All right, I think I got one. Got ice all over. There we go, hooked up. Just letting it drift down the river. Swimming at me. Where is he at? Come on. There he is. Come here, buddy. Come here. No, don't stop it. Knock it off. Knock it off. Knock it off. Thank you. Stop it. Sweet. Oh, this guy's missing an eye. Jeepers. That's kind of crazy. Probably a solid 2-pounder. Let this guy go right here. See ya, buddy. I was just gonna chill. Literally right there. That guy picked it up. I let it. Literally, that was.
I got one.
You got one?
Yep.
You're good. You can just set the hook. I got the GoPro hooked up.
Oh, popped off.
Oh!
Didn't
Tough.
take it long enough. Oh, got another one.
Did you pick it up? Oh yeah. Let him hit. There you go.
He came back. Same one.
Okay. Sweet. Ooh, short little guy.
Short and stocky.
Ooh, he's doing tricks. Sweet.
Oh, look at that little guy. So that one, he hit once, came back about 10 seconds later and smoked it. So look how thick that little guy is. It's probably closer to a pound.
There he goes. Oh. He missed it. Oh no, he's swimming upriver. This guy hit it upstream. Where are you? Oh yeah, just a little guy. This guy's missing an eye too. What are the chances of that? Back to back fish with no eyes. I'll show you the good side. Just a baby. Let him go real quick. See ya, dude. This is all we're using. Just a sucker. Little, I don't even know, a walleye hook. A walleye wide gap octopus size 2, according to Buddy in the orange hat down there. Tied to a little tungsten weight. I don't even know, like 5-6 inch leader to the weight, and that's the setup. I tried him for a couple casts. Oh, there's a fishy. There's a big old fishy. Gotcha. I don't know how big he is. Might be caught in your line. Oh, I got a big one.
You're not on me.
No, I got a big one.
I'm gonna open my bill.
Dude, this one's a big one. I better land him. This is where you lose him.
Oh, babe.
Oh, dude, toad. No. Oh. That was 4 easily, but that was a big one. Dude, you casted like right there.
Dude, I literally put it up the tree in front of me. Dude,
Going crazy. There you go.
swallowing it.
Is he
There's
eating
another hook. And that's not even, that's someone else's.
Oh.
He's
No.
swallowing it.
I got another one 5 feet out.
Dude,
Dude.
just pulled a
No.
tube.
Besides the one I lost earlier.
You got fishy? Catch him. Oh, look at that fierce hook set. Oh, I think I just got hit. Yeah, I definitely have fishy. Hopefully my GoPro's going. Oh yeah, baby. We are doubled up. We got the McDouble going. I think it is.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. Got this on video. Come here. Okay, I don't want to lose this thing. This feels pretty good. Nope, I don't like what he's doing. What is he doing? Dude, this feels freaking big.
Oh, yeah.
Is it a good one?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, big schmarly. Oh, he's fighting. Big schmarly. That's a big boy.
Not a 3, but
Hey, he's chunky monkey. Hey,
Right on.
doubled up.
cookie cutters.
Yeah, both about the same size.
That's crazy.
All right, me and Eli just doubled up. Freaking toads.
Yep.
Let these two go. Sweet.
See ya.
Oh. No, it's hooked up. I'm gonna try and get out there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Get him. Oh, you got him.
There we go. There we go. It's one of the bigger ones of today. Like a 2.5, 3. At least some shallow this time so you can see them.
Ooh, there he goes. Big hook set. Eli's hooked up. It's getting towards sunset, but they're still biting. Oh, he's oh. Oh, dude, that's a whale.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh no. I can't grab it. I can't grab it.
I got his tail. I got his tail.
That's a nice one. Yeah, we warm out, boys. Check that out. Damn. That was a nice one.
Holy cow.
Sweet.
Hold him sideways. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Looks like a toad.
that is a nice one.
Oh, buddy's hooked up.
Here.
It's chaos right now. Eli's gonna let that big one go. Oh, Noah's hooked up. He's way out there.
Way up, way back.
Oh, looks pretty good. Oh, it came off. All right, backing it up. Great day at the Mississippi again. Eli, Noah, me, all slammed them, and Cole, but buddy Cole's over in the truck. Probably caught 30 fish today. Lost a lot too, to be honest, but managed to get a couple nice ones there towards the end. Had a great weekend of fishing, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.
Thanks, guys.